start with our first product, that is the casual striped shirt with chest pocket. These casual striped shirts are made for the laid-back man who appreciates comfort with a dash of style. With a clean vertical striped design and a functional chest pocket, this piece brings an effortlessly cool vibe to any casual day out. The breathable fabric ensures all-day comfort, whether you're strolling through the city or heading to brunch with friends. The niche of the product is men's casual wear and street style. It sells for $28.99, costs around $4.70, and ships for about $2.80, leaving you with a solid $21.49 profit margin. Pair it with jeans or chinos in your marketing, it's got that classic meets modern aesthetic that sells well. Now let's move on to a summer staple that keeps things fresh and crisp. Summer short sleeve polo shirt. This summer short sleeve polo shirt is a must-have for warm weather wardrobes. Featuring a sharp lapel collar, solid colors, and a clean button front design, it's perfect for those looking to blend style with ease. Ideal for barbecues, casual Fridays, or a sunset beach stroll. It belongs to the niche of men's summer essentials and smart casual wear. You can sell it for $27.99 with a cost of $3.35 and shipping around $2.80, giving you a great $21.84 profit margin. Great pick for reels and lifestyle photo shoots in summer settings. Clean, classy, and scroll-worthy. Next, we've got a refined option that blends minimalism with confidence. Men's casual long-sleeve stand collar shirt. This men's stand collar shirt is all about simplicity with a stylish edge. Its solid color design and mandarin collar give it a contemporary feel, making it great for dinner dates, casual meetings, or daily wear. Lightweight and breathable, it's the perfect blend of comfort and polish. It falls in the niche, the men's minimalist fashion and modern casual wear. Sell this at $32.99 with a cost of $5.97 and shipping of about $3.10, which leads a healthy $23.92 in profit. Showcase it in minimal fashion lookbooks, day-to-night outfit transitions, or modern men's styling videos. Let's shake things up now with a bold lower body statement piece. Plaid print pants, men's casual trousers. These plaid print pants are for men who aren't afraid to stand out. With a relaxed fit and trendy plaid pattern, they offer streetwear-inspired flair while keeping things lightweight and breathable. Whether you pair them with sneakers or slides, they're a fashion-forward pick. This product is listed under the niche men's streetwear and fashion pants. Retail them for $29.99, cost is $7.17 and shipping runs around $3.10, delivering a $19.72 profit margin. Perfect for TikToks or IG reels with edgy transitions, layered outfits, or aesthetic backgrounds. Up next, we've got a layering essential that adds depth to any outfit. Long sleeve lapel shirt, men's cardigan style top. This long sleeve lapel shirt works as a shirt or a lightweight cardigan. With its loose fit and button-down design, it's perfect for layering over tees or tanks. It's casual, versatile, and gives off a modern-day explorer vibe. It follows the niche. Men's layered fashion and transitional wear sell at $26.99 with a product cost of $4.52 and shipping at $2.80, giving you a solid $19.67 profit margin. Great for casual styling reels, cozy layered outfit shots, or travel wardrobe features. If you want to private label it and get a cheaper price, you can go to app.bsdropshipping.com. BS offers private label service, no MOQ needed, and their prices are normally cheaper than on AliExpress. Now, let's talk about a coordinated look that brings elegance without the effort. smart casual long-sleeve suit set, shirt plus slim fit pants. This matching set includes a long-sleeve shirt with a lapel pair and a pair of slim-fit trousers, delivering instant style. It's an easy go-to for semi-formal occasions, evening events, or smart casual dinners. Niche of the product is the men's co-ord set and smart casual looks. This one sells for $49.99, costs $8.50 and ships for around $3.50. which brings you a very strong $37.99 in profit. Ideal for polished Instagram styling or date night outfit, content that catches attention fast. Switching gears to something breezy and rooted in natural style. Men's cotton and linen Henley shirt. This long sleeve Henley is made from a breathable cotton and linen blend, a staple for laid-back fashion lovers. Its soft, natural fabric makes it a great choice for those who prioritize comfort and texture, whether it's worn alone or layered under a light jacket. Niche falls in the men's natural fabric essentials and eco-lookwear category. It retails at $29.99, costs about $6.20, with shipping at $2.80, giving you a $20.99 profit margin. Show this in earthy tones, neutral aesthetics, or minimalist wardrobes. It's a favorite for slow fashion and eco-conscious shoppers. And finally, let's wrap things up with a summer must-have built for comfort drawstring corduroy shorts. These corduroy shorts are equal parts sporty and chill. Featuring an elastic waistband, drawstring closure, and lightweight corduroy fabric, they're perfect for the beach, lounging, or even casual workouts. The product niche is the men's summer loungewear and active short. You can retail these for $24.99, they cost about $5.50, and ship for $2.80, earning you a $16.69 profit. These shine in day in my life vlogs, summer getaway content, or men's comfort wear promos. From standout stripes to breathable cotton, line-in blends, this collection offers something for every man's wardrobe, whether he's aiming for effortless streetwear, smart casual elegance, or laid-back summer vibes. With impressive profit margins and high scroll-stopping potential, these pieces aren't just stylish, they're built to sell. Curate your content wisely, tap into trend-driven visuals, and let each product tell its story. Now's the perfect time to elevate your store with fashion that delivers both form and function.